Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wal
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening. My name is Azba and I'm with Rafli Ahmad Fauzan and Aksil Muhammad Haris. We are civil engineering student at Institute of Technology Garut. Presenting for our English 2, our report is still field observation on the retaining wall or DPT and soil stabilization work at the Katumbiri Hills project. It documents a real, ongoing construction site where a retaining wall is being built on sloping ground in Garut. We'll cover the background, the theory, the material, and methods used, our fields finding, and our conclusion. Next. Katumbili Hills is private hillside development for a restaurant, coffee shop, and villa. The site has sloping, granular, semi-saturated soil, naturally unstable and prone to movement. A retaining wall or DPT hold that soil back laterally and prevent slope failure while soil stabilization shrink the ground before any structure is built on it. This first stage, package 1A stage 1, cover only the retaining wall and stabilization. The building themselves come later once the ground is configured safe. For us, student is a clear example of how soil condition drive real engineering decision. Next. Our observation had three objectives. First, understand the site's soil and sloping condition since they form the basis of the wall design. Second, identify problem in soil stability, construction sequence, and material logistic. Third, observe the actual construction method, material, equipment, and work stage used on site. Together, this objective took us from understanding the theory to spotting real field challenges to seeing engineering practice firsthand, and they connect directly to everything we'll share next. Next. The project is Katumbili Hills Package 1A Stage 1, located on uh, Street Haji Sayuti, Garut City. The contractor is PT Diamond Karya Construksindo, supervised by CV Multicreasi, who ensure the work follow the design and technical specification. Our research person was Mr. Haikal Agna Lazuali as the assistant site engineer. The project purpose is threefold: build a stable retaining structure, support the planned facility, and prevent slope failure. Knowing this context matter because it frames everything in the engineering analysis that follows. Next. A retaining, a retaining wall or DPT holds back soil laterally on sloping ground. This project specifically used a gravity retaining wall which resists earth pressure through its own mass, mainly splits stone masonry on a reinforced concrete footing rather than through heavy structural reinforcement. So stabilization. The third concept improved the strength of granular, semi-saturated soil so it can safely carry the wall. These three ideas are not just theory, they directly explain why the wall relies on stone mass and why construction was sequenced so carefully on site. Okay, next, Arsil.
Next, material use. Nine material from the system: split stone give the wall its mesh, concrete at FC 20 MPa from the reinforced footing. A, W, and C pipes. Web in filter create the drainage system, the relief water pressure building up behind the wall. circuit and split, aggregate support, backpile, and concrete production. Cement behind the concrete mix and the stone masonry together and Wermes and egg reinforce the putting again cracking. Each material was chosen for a specific structural on or drainage role and together they work as one coordinate system, not isolated part. Next, contraction follow seven step. Site survey, manual excavation, concrete foundation, stone man, masonry wall, drainage, installation, backfill, and completion excavation is done manually, not by excavator because vibration from heavy equipment could trigger an landslide on this unstable granular soil. Breaker, the only heavy equipment used is limited strictly to breaking hard rock or complete layer that can be removed by hand. In short, the method prioritize slope safety over excavation speed. Next, occupational safety or ketiga is essential to prevent accident at this land preparation stage. Currently, safety boot and glove are the mandatory PPA for all workers since the main hazard at this stage in lobe handling, soil, stone, and hand tool as the project move in structural and building construction. PPA equipment are expected to become st- strict, stricter, matching the high risks such as working at height that come with that later stage. Next, observation result. The total project budget is about with 512 million allocated to this stage of work. Current progress is around 20% with acceleration plan once the soil in complement stable. The granular semi satur soil is actually why excavation stay manual. The wall itself is divided into six zone A to F following the site elevation. What impressed us most during this visit was how every method used once it was happen was shaped around respecting the soil instability.
Yes.
Jeffrey.
Okay, slide 10, engineering analysis. Each of the six zones has defense dimension because the site evolution in unfenced zone B is tells at 55 meter, so it resists the great lateral earth pressure. Zone F at just 2 meter need only 8 meter footing. Jones to see use 16 centimeter finish sequence, while the Tug F use 15 centimeters seeker action wherever the wall is taller and the pressure it great. The drain system support every zone equally. Relieving hydrostatic pressure so it never adds to the earth pressure the wall must resist. Next, problem and solution. Three challenges come up during contraction. First, the owner frequently change dissension even after the design and signed. So the team perfect adaptive correction. Second, equipment vibraton risk engine reset trigger landslide on the unstable soil. Solved took manual excavation with only limited breaker use. Dirt, stone, and sand deliver. Third, stone and sand deliver were often daily. So the team diversified supplies and switch vendor. This challenge taught use the good engineer also depend on flexible, responsive project management. Next, consolation. In consolation, this retaining wall, the soil stabilization work, sucrose and stable, sloping soil, so I can safely support the future restaurant, cafe shop, and villa. We saw gravity wall design, draining engineer, and vibraton controller excavation all applied electric in the pilot, alongside adaptive management handling, owner change, and material daily. A civil engineering student, this observation connection or classroom there to real site discussion. And remember use that good engineering means adapting design to what 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 the ground truly demands. Next, uh, thank you to Smash which cover the project background, theory material, contraction method, engineering analysis challenge, and consolation. We like to thank our letter for graded talk this course. And Mr. Haikal Agna Laud and Mr. Haikal Agna Lajaurdi for sharing his time and technical knowledge with us. Thank you very much for your attention. We do now be glad to take my question.
Jeffrey.